Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Nar and in today's video, we will back up and restore all the mailboxes of Zimbra. So in this, we will first back up a single mailbox and then restore it. In the next video, you can back up and restore all the mailboxes in your Zimbra server simultaneously. So in the next video, you will learn about that. In this video, you will learn how to. If you want to back up or restore only one mailbox, then how to do that. In this video, you will learn about that. You must have seen in the last video that I had installed Zimbra SSL. So look here, SSL is installed on it. And when I go to manage here, I have these mail IDs created. Okay. I have kept a mail ID open here by the name Bikas. I will log out and show it to you. I logged out, and here, my ID is, the username of it is Zabikas, and I put the password and I log in with it. Okay. After logging in, look here, I have put 2-3 mails here for demo, so it will make a backup of it. Now, how to make a backup? First of all, you log in here, so my IP is. I am here by default. My IP is this one, friends. In the last, I have created it in Linode. I will show it to you. If you follow the series, I have told all the things in it. So this is my IP and I have logged in here. After logging in, I will open this terminal. You can also log into PuTTY. Both are the same. Okay, what do you have to do after getting this? You have to come here. I have put all the commands, etc. in the post here. Okay, so you must follow them. Then, back up an email box. So what do you have to do here? So, first of all, create a folder, okay? Create a backup folder inside the SRB folder. So, here, I go to File, here, and after going to File, look here, you will see SRB. Go inside it. You will find a folder named Backup. Then here, you will not find a folder named Backup. You will have to create that folder with the name Backup, then create anything inside it. Okay, so I have created a folder in it so that whatever backup I will store should come here. Okay, for that. After that, I copy this command and look, I put it in Notepad. So, I put it in Notepad. Now, what I have to do is that the mail account that you want to backup, I have to create. This thickest one, the biggest one. So look, here I have created this. I want to make a backup of this one, so I will copy this mail ID. Okay, I copied this mail ID from here and came here. I pasted it, okay. Then here, and you can put this mail ID or you can put anything here. It is basically that whatever backup you will do with the file, by what name will you do it? So I will keep this name just to remember it. What to do after that? You have to copy this whole command and coming here as a root. You have to run this command. Okay, then I pasted this command and clicked enter. Okay, so this is my backup. As soon as I come here and refresh it, look here, this backup file of mine has been created here. Okay. Now, my backup is created. Now, if by chance your server crashes or this data gets deleted, then I will delete it now. Because I have a backup, so I delete it from here. Then I come to trash here and delete them. Okay. And I deleted it here knowingly. If something of yours gets deleted or gets hacked or goes down, then everything gets deleted. Then how to restore it now? Because I have a backup now, so I can get my email again. Okay, I have this backup here. So let me restore it now, and after that, all the mails that come here will come back because I have made a backup in. So this is the command. I copy the mailbox and restore, and after coming here, I did it and pasted it. And what you have to do in this, replace the mail ID. Okay, I have replaced my mail ID here, whose backup I want to take a backup. And the folder of the backup, inside this, my backup folder is created. Okay, I will paste this as well. Here. You must pay attention that this one and this one should be the same, because when I will restore now, what will it do? It will go inside this folder. And the backup file with this name there, this backup will come here and restore it. Okay, so give it here correctly. So, what do I do with this now? This, I will copy this. Okay, I have copied it. You must see, there is no mail here right now. I will reload it and show it to you. Okay, because I have deleted it. Now, as soon as I put the restore command here, I clicked enter. Okay, so now, this restoration is happening. It is done. Now, I will minimize it. Now see, these mails have come back. Because what happened, now if I delete this again, you see in front of me, I deleted it again. I deleted it from here. And delete, okay, look here, as I run a command, you see this, it's okay, and like this, I enter the command, click enter. And my backup will come back here. I have put the command here. Now, as I came here and clicked on inbox, see, both my mails have come. So like this, you can back up and restore a single mailbox. Here, whichever single you want to do, you have to enter the email here and then restore it. You must tell where you are making the backup. Like, I have made the backup in this folder, so you will have to do the restore of the same folder also. In the next video, we will learn how you can make a backup and restore of multiple mailboxes simultaneously. So, you will see that in the next video, and before that, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I have made many videos related to Zimbra, so you can watch the playlist. All the videos which you will get series-wise, and subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.